Hey guys, Cody from 610 Bricks. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the new LEGO Yoda's Jedi Starfighter set number 75360 with 253 pieces and retails for $35 here in the USA. This isn't the first Starfighter that LEGO has released for Yoda, but it's an awesome one to add to your collection. This thing looks great overall on the box on the outside, and I'm really excited to dig into it and see exactly what's involved. As we open up the box here, you're going to see in typical LEGO fashion that you're going to get some poly bags and a manual. There's also a small sticker sheet, but I thought that I lost it. That's why it's not photographed here. As we move around the ship, you can see that this thing, for its small size, is packed with a ton of awesome details. Now, LEGO left no stone unturned, and they packed a ton of details in this thing for the price point. Now, the sticker elements just add to it, and I think overall, even with the stickers, it looks great. I know a lot of people hate on the stickers, but I actually personally like them. As we move on, you can open up the cockpit of this thing, and you can fit the LEGO minifigure right inside. Now, the only thing is you can't keep his weapon in here, but they thought of that as well. So as we rotate it to the back, you can also fit R2-D2 inside, and then you can attach Yoda's lightsaber right to the back of the ship. This also comes with some extra play features on it as well, like these blasters on the back. So if you push these in, you get two of these blasters that shoot through the front like this. You also get some extra ammunition with them, so they gave you 3 bolts in total, which is pretty considerate of LEGO considering that you're probably going to lose some. The ship also has some movable wings on both sides of the ship, which just kind of add to the play functions, and then it also allows, when the wings are folded, for the ship to sit level when it's on the ground. Now, I do have it on a stand from the Executor MIDI scale, but that one is not included, but you could build something like this for display. The ship overall I was pretty excited about, but I was also excited about the minifigures. Not so much R2-D2 because he is pretty much the same R2-D2 that you've been getting in these sets for quite a few years now, but the Master Yoda is what I was excited about because he's the first one that I added to my collection. He does have some nice printing on the front and then also on the back. And just like the Yodas in the past, he's a little shorter than a standard minifigure, but he fits in the cockpit perfectly. And overall, I think it's a great set to pick up. If you guys are into LEGO Star Wars content, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be doing some videos on the new LEGO Star Wars stuff that just came out August 1st. I also did one on the 332nd Clone Troopers pack that you could check out here. I'll see you next week.